Hi everyone, every tip I'm about to share has been tested by professionals in the shop I'm at, so don't worry, this has a solution. If suddenly your Chevy Bolt shows the message, "Conditions not correct for shift," don't panic or think you've broken the transmission. What the car is basically saying is, I don't think it's safe to shift gears right now. It's like your Bolt has its own safety brain saying, hold on, I'm not ready for you to go into drive or reverse. The first thing to know is that this message doesn't mean something mechanical is broken. The Bolt doesn't have a traditional gearbox. Everything runs electronically. What happens is that the control system detects that conditions aren't ideal to allow shifting. Maybe the software is still starting up, a sensor reading is off, or the 12-volt battery isn't providing enough power. Speaking of the battery, many mechanics agree that a low or weak 12-volt battery is the most common cause. This battery powers the car's modules and electronic controls, and if it can't deliver enough juice, the Bolt goes into protective mode and blocks shifting. Many have fixed the issue simply by recharging or replacing the 12-volt battery, and the message disappears almost instantly. Another common reason is shifting too quickly after startup. If you try to move the shifter right after pressing the start button, the system may not have finished initializing and doesn't recognize that you're ready to drive. Waiting a few seconds before selecting drive or reverse often clears the message with no other steps needed. In some cases, the message persists due to minor software glitches or temporary hiccups. Turning off the car, opening the door, or removing the key fob for a few seconds and then restarting usually performs a quick reset. If it still doesn't go away, disconnecting the 12-volt battery for about 10 minutes is a trick that many owners have successfully used to reset all modules and get the Bolt shifting normally again.